I've always dreamed of visiting Iceland someday. And finally, that day has come. We started our journey at Frankfurt Airport, where the morning sky was glowing beautifully. Our route takes us from Frankfurt to Manchester, and then on to Iceland. Iceland always felt like such a distant place to me. But now that we're here, it suddenly feels so close. I can see land. We arrived sooner than I expected. It almost feels unreal. We landed at 2:20 p.m. and the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The first thing we do in Keflavik, head to the duty-free shop to look for beer. Just like everyone says, one can cost over $8. Next, we pick up our rental car and head to the supermarket. Since Iceland is known for being expensive, grocery shopping is kind of a must. We'll be staying in Iceland for 2 weeks. Driving the ring road counterclockwise all the way around the island. There are so many things I want to do here, but October is the rainy season and finding clear skies can be tricky. So I made a list of 7 things I really don't want to miss. Number 1, an ice cave tour. October is actually the very beginning of the season, so it's not the best time to see bright blue ice. But since we're driving the ring road, we wanted to avoid the snowy season, so this is our best option. Number 2, photographing a waterfall glowing in the sunset from behind the falls. The one I'm hoping to see is Seljalandsfoss, the famous waterfall often used as a desktop wallpaper. Number 3, floating icebergs from a glacier. I want to witness the final moments of ice that's existed for tens of thousands of years. Number 4, staying at a stylish apartment in the eastern part of Iceland. I can't wait to take in the fjord views right outside the window. Number 5, photographing volcanoes in the north. Iceland has many volcanoes, but I've heard there's one where you can actually see the crater from the base. I really want to experience that surreal landscape. Number 6, spotting wild seals. I've already researched a few places where they're often seen, so I'm hoping we'll get lucky. And finally, number 7, the Northern Lights. This one feels like a classic Iceland experience. Since we're staying for 2 weeks, I'm hopeful we'll catch them at least once. Looking at this list again, it's clear how important the weather really is. The forecast shows a lot of cloudy days ahead, so this trip might also be about quietly wishing the skies will be kind to us. We're almost at tonight's cottage now. This will be our base as we explore the Golden Circle tomorrow. And about the Northern Lights, the last item on my list. Tonight's forecast actually looks clear. Even my Aurora app is showing positive signs. So, it's time to get the camera ready. 3, 2, 1. Today turned out to be a really nice day. Actually, I think it might have been one of the best days because we got to see the northern lights. I'll see you in the next video.